Hi folks, based off of last week's assignments, I've decided to put some videos online to help you hopefully better understand some of the concepts that are coming up in these next few weeks in these chapters. So you might not get to see my face too much because I'd much rather show you on the piano what I'm talking about, but we will start with chapter 5, specifically with enharmonic pitches. Enharmonic pitches, all that really means is that you can have one note written two different ways, at least two different ways. So for example, if I look on the piano here and I find the letter C, here is my middle C, okay? I can write that as a letter C in music notes, or I can write that as a D double flat. So I can go D, D flat, D double flat, which is the exact same note as C. Okay, if I wanted to write a B flat in the music right here, I could write B flat in the music, or I could also write A sharp, and that would be the exact same note as B flat. Here is your A sharp is this one higher. Here is your B flat is this one note lower. So a sharp, don't forget, a sharp makes the note sound higher, it goes this way, and a flat makes the note sound lower by going this way. Okay? If I have a C sharp, here's my C. Here is C sharp. Okay? C sharp is also the same thing as D flat, because here is my D, and if I want to flat it, I go to the left. D flat. So D flat is enharmonic with C sharp. They are the exact same note, they're just written two different ways, but it is the exact same note. It sounds the same. Let's try one more. Let's do D sharp. Here is my D. If I want to make it sharp, I play this one. So here's D. Here is D sharp. I go one to the right, one key to the right. There's D sharp. D sharp is the same sounding note as E flat because here is E. If I make it E flat, I go down one key, and that's the one that it is. So E flat is the same thing as D sharp. There it is. A couple that might be tricky for you are when we have these notes here where we have no black key in the middle. And that's okay because we don't always have a black key in the middle. So for example, if we have E and we want to play E sharp, there's no black key to go to. But E sharp really is the same as F, which means that F is enharmonic. It's the same sounding note as E sharp. Okay, so E sharp is the same sounding note as F. The same thing is true with B sharp. Here is B. If I want to make it sharp, there's no black key for me to go anywhere. So I have to go to the very next key, which is actually C. So B sharp, which is one higher, is actually the same sounding note as C, enharmonic. That also means that C flat, here is C, C flat is enharmonic with B. You just go to the exact same note. It's the same sounding note, just written two different ways. So that's what enharmonic means. When you see things that are enharmonic, it just means that they can be the same exact sounding note, just written two different ways.